Hello and welcome to RLRXL Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing and beautiful video, I will teach you how you can create a beautiful and attractive man feed chart in Excel 2019. As you can see on my screen, I have already made this beautiful chart with the use of these data which I have taken in Excel sheet. And here I have just taken some productivity of this company in this month. What they are getting is mentioned over here, and then I have just taken the image size, which is this one, and then the rest area. It means what it is left means how much the productivity is company not getting in this month. All right, and on the basis of these data I have just created these scale, and here a man which is uh, rotating according to these productivity. It means if I will change the productivity from 79 to anything, then the man will change the position will accordingly. All right, so let's change the productivity and see the result how the man is changing the position. So I'm just taking from 79, let's say I'm taking 52, so you can see the man position is changed from 79 to 52. And if I will take from 52 to 96, then the man position will change from 52 to 96, and the data label is also changing. Alright, so let's start and learn how we can create this. So before starting this video, if you did not subscribe my channel still, so please subscribe it quickly, because I always try to make the useful videos for you so that you can become an Excel expert easily. Alright, so let's add a new worksheet and create this beautiful chart. So first I will just create this man shape icon. So for this I will just select any cell. Let's say I'm just selecting A1 cell, then click on insert, and here I will click on symbols and I will click on symbol. Alright, in here I will in font type options will type weddings, and then we'll just scroll down some, and then I will select this one which is Webdings 130, then click on insert and then close. So now you can see the Webdings icon, man icon is inserted. Just select this, go to home, and then align it centrally. Alright, but still the shape icon is too small, so I will just select this cell and do the font as 100. Alright, so now you can see the font size is increased. Alright, then I need to make this as picture, so I will just select this, click on copy as picture, OK, then click on paste special, and then OK. So now you can see this image is converted into picture. Alright, so I do not need this previous man icon, so I will just select the entire row and click on delete. Alright, so now the main icon is done. Just I need to crop it. So first of all I will select this entire sheet, then click on view and remove the grid lines. Then just select this man shape, go to format, and just crop it how much you want. From each side I will just crop like this. So now our man icon is ready. Now just need to change the color, so select this icon, go to format. From here I will change the color and will take blue accent letter color 1 light. Alright, now next in just need to make this stand. So for this I will just click on insert and illustration shapes, and will take this one which is oval, press the shift key from your keyboard and just drag it how much you want, like this. Then select this oval, go to format and do the shape fill as this one which is gold accent 4 darker 50%, and then go to shape outline and remove outline. Then just right click on it, go to format shape, and here we'll go to effects, and in effects I will expand 3D rotation. We'll go to presets, and here under perspective we'll select perspective relaxed. Alright, then we'll change the Y rotation from 309 to 300. Alright, now we'll expand the 3D format, and in top bevel we will select this one which is cross. Alright, so now this icon is done. Just put it down and just increase the shape, just right click, send to back. So now you can see this man is standing on this stand. Just select this both icon using Control A, right click, and make it crop. Alright, so you can see your man is now done. need to just create this scale. So for this I will just add a data. So I'm just taking here productivity, as I'm taking randomly, but you can just put here your actual productivity. So I'm just taking 84%, and then I will take productivity again, and then here I will just minus your actual productivity minus 2.5%. Alright, now just here type image size, which would be 5%, and then the rest area. So the rest area would be is equal to 1 minus your productivity. So now just your data is done. Just select it and remove extra percentage like this. Alright, then just select your data. So we'll select this data, go to insert, in columns we'll select this one, which is 2D stack bar. Alright, then select this one, go to design and click on switch row to column. So your all bar will be merged into a single bar. Then click on format, shape fill as no fill, shape outline as no outline. Alright, now we do not need to show this title, so we'll click on plus button, click on chart title, grid lines, and from axis we'll click on this one and we'll remove only primary vertical axis. Alright, then right click on your bar, go to format data series, and here we'll decrease the gap width from 150% to 0%. Then close it, just resize it how much you want. Alright, need to change the axis, so just select this axis, right click, format axis, and here we'll take minimum as 0, but maximum will take 1.2025%, means 125%, because our productivity is 100%, but the image size is actual 2.5%, because we just have subtracted 2.5% in productivity. So here we will take 1.025%, and in measure axis we will take 0.1. Then close it, just resize it how much you want. Alright, now just we need to change the color, so we'll just select this one, right click, format data point, and we'll remove the blue portion. So we'll go to fill and line and do as no line. Alright, then we need to remove the rest area, so we'll select this one, then do as also no line. So now you can see your productivity and your rest area is now no filled, but we need to show this icon on this bar, so we will just select this icon, press Ctrl C to copy it, then click on this bar, which is actually image size, and click on Ctrl V. So now you can see your image is pasted over here. And if I will change the productivity, let's say 84 to 45, then you can see the image is moving on this axis. Alright, so now just need to change the axis, so we'll select this one and increase the font, we'll take 11, and we'll do the color as black and make it bold. Alright, now we need to just create this scale. So for this I will click on insert, illustration, and we'll take a rectangle. Alright, then just draw it, select your rectangle, go to format and do the shape outline as no outline, right click on rectangle, format shape, and we'll go to effects, and here in 3D rotation, expand 3D rotation, and in presets we'll take under perspective relaxed. Alright, now just decrease the Y rotation at one time, then we'll expand 3D format, and in top bevel we will select this one, which is crossed. Alright, so now you can see this is crossed, but we'll take the height as 25 and the bottom level height as 25, and the depth is also 25%. Alright, so now you can see your scale is ready. Now you just do not need to icon, so you can just put it outside from this sheet, or you can also just remove it. Then select your shape, and put it down, right click, send to back, and just fit as per your requirement. Alright, so now you can see your chart is done. Just we need to add the data labels like here. So for this I will just select this man icon, right click on it and add data label, and here the data label is added, but still the data size is or data label is 5. So we'll just select this data label, click on formula bar, press is equal to, and select your actual productivity and press enter. So now you can see your productivity is mentioned. Then click on home tab, make it bold and just increase the font. Let's say I'm taking 11 and do the color as black color. Alright, also you can change the shape style from format tab. We'll take this one. So now you can see your label is done. Just select this one and do the font as white. Alright, now if you will change your productivity, then the man position will change accordingly and the data level will also change. Let's say 65. So now it's working fine. And if I will take 90, now it's working. We'll take 5%, now it's working fine, amazingly. So this is how you can create this man fit chart and make your MIS report more productive and more beautiful rather than other reports. All right, so I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel still, so please subscribe it. And if you have any query regarding this video, so you can just do the comments below of this video, and I will meet you in next video with your comments to resolve your query and make your MIS report more beautiful. All right, so till then, goodbye.